Hello friends. So in this lecture we are going to study how to calculate mean, mode, median and 5 number summary of given data set. For that purpose in exam such kind of an elements or data set elements will be given. So first step we have to do is we have to rearrange the given data set in ascending order. So for that purpose the given data set we have rearranged in ascending order. Now we will see the first part, that is nothing but mean. So how to calculate the mean value? Mean is nothing but it is average of all the dataset elements. So for that purpose to calculate mean we have made sum of all the dataset element and we have divided by total number of elements, that is nothing but 7. So in this way we have calculated the mean, that is nothing but 55. Now next we will see how to calculate median. Median is nothing but the middle element of data set. So for that purpose we have to find out which is the middle position of our data set and which element is present at that particular position. So for that purpose to calculate the middle position we are having formula n plus 1 divided by 2. If our data set is very large we can go through this formula. If data set is small we can visually also calculate. So here we have calculated that this fourth position is our middle position and on that fourth position the element 55 is present. So we have written median as 55. Now next mode. So mode is very easy. Actually mode is nothing but element which occur most often in our data set. So suppose one element 10, it is occurring 2 or 3 times which is more than other elements, so 10 will be our mode. But if we see our data set, so our data set contains every element is occurring exactly at once, so there is no any repetition. So we can say in our data set there is no mode value present. Now we will see our last part which is very important from statistic point of view, that is called as 5-number summary. So 5-number summary is nothing but from our given data set we are finding 5 elements. So what are those 5 elements? First element is minimum, second element is maximum, third element is median, and after that we are calculating first quadrille and third quadrille. So what are those? We will see. So this is our sorted data set we have sorted previously. So from that easily we can get minimum value is 35, maximum value is 75, and median just we have calculated, that is nothing but 55. Now we will see how to calculate the quadrille value, first quadrille and third quadrille. So if you look carefully in this diagram, we can say that this first quadrille is nothing but median of minimum and median, and this third quadrille is nothing but median of median and maximum value. Means this is our total data set we have divided with the help of median. So this is 50% part and this is 50% part. So this 50% part is again divided in first quadrille. So we can say this is our 25% part and this is our 25% part. So what we have to do is we have to calculate median of minimum and median. So that will be our first quadrille value, and median of median and maximum, that will be our third quadrille value. Okay, so that we have calculated here. First quadrille, that is nothing but we are dividing our data set. Now we have taken only 4 value from minimum up to median. 35 is our minimum value and 55 is our median value. So in between those two value also we have considered. So now we are having 4 elements in our data set. So we have to calculate median of these 4 values. So now the number of elements are even. So we have to find out the middle position of this data set. If numbers are odd, we can directly find out the position, but here we will find out the position as 2.5 because total number of elements are 4. So 4 plus 1, it will become 5. 5 divided by 2, it will become 2.5. So 2.5 is nothing but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 45 and 50. So our median will be in between 45 and 50. So we will take average of this 45 and 50. That will be our median value. That is nothing but 47.5. Same for third quartile. Here is also our median value was 55 and maximum value was 75. So we have considered all the element in between them and we have calculated the median just like first quadrille. So it is coming as 67.5. Okay, so at the end again we have written all the values in this 5 number summary format. So minimum value was 35, first quadrille was 47.5, median is 55, third quadrille is 67.5 and maximum value is 75.